You are going to want to stop scrolling right now and check out this beautiful home in Idlewylde, Maryland. Come on, let's take a look inside. If you have been looking for a home in a quiet, walkable community that is in close proximity to local amenities, shops, and restaurants, this could be the perfect property for you since it sits just outside Towson, Maryland. This gorgeous property has charming updates throughout that are complemented perfectly by the modern upgrades like the updated white kitchen. There are 3 bedrooms, 1 full and 2 half bathrooms, and a finished basement. The backyard is absolute perfection with a wood privacy fence, multiple patio spaces, and young fruit trees and bushes. Welcome home.